A quick recipe today, how to make kombucha, a fermented tea that's refreshing, fizzy, and full of probiotics. You might be wondering, how do you ferment tea? Well, let me show you. To ferment tea and make kombucha, you need this weird looking thing called SCOBY, or Symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. You can easily buy it online, I'll leave a link in the description. You can also grow it yourself by mixing sweet tea with unpasteurized kombucha, but it's easier to just buy it. SCOBY thrives in black tea, but feel free to experiment with other teas. I made kombucha from rooibos and it was delicious. Lately I've been enjoying this loose leaf black tea that has a subtle peach flavor. This recipe makes 3 liters of kombucha. First, brew some tea. Feel free to experiment with the strength. Here's how I do it. I measure 17 grams of loose leaf black tea, then I bring 1 liter of filtered water to a boil. Turn off the heat, add the leaves, give it a good stir. Steep for 5 minutes and finally strain it. To properly ferment kombucha, the tea needs to be sweet. I add 70 grams of sugar for each liter of kombucha, so 210 grams for this batch. Stir it into the hot tea until it's fully dissolved. In a large jar, add 2 liters of filtered water, pour in the sweetened tea, give it a good stir, and then add the SCOBY along with its liquid. If it's your first batch, add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar for safety. SCOBY thrives in slightly acidic environment, which also keeps out unwanted microorganisms. Cover the jar with cheesecloth and ferment at room temperature for 5 to 14 days, depending on room temperature, SCOBY size, batch volume, and tea type. After 5 days, start tasting daily. When you are happy with the flavor, save a bit of kombucha and add the SCOBY in it. Then strain and bottle the rest. You can stop here and chill the bottles, or you can go a step further to make your kombucha fizzy. Just add sugar-rich fruit to each bottle. I like raisins, plenty of sugar and quick to add. Leave the bottles at room temperature for 2 or 3 days, but don't forget to burp the bottles once or twice a day, otherwise you will have an unpleasant surprise. Ask me how I know. Lastly, SCOBY grows in layers, which means you can share it with friends so they can enjoy their own kombucha. You can store the SCOBY for weeks or months without making kombucha by keeping it in a jar at room temperature covered with cheesecloth. Don't refrigerate it, it can cause problems when you restart the SCOBY. Make sure it's submerged in kombucha. If it evaporates, top up with sweet tea and a splash of vinegar. And that's it, kombucha, a delicious fizzy drink to keep you refreshed. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you learn something new or inspired you to give this recipe a try. And if you do, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know how yours turns out. Want more? Check out another recipe here. I think you'll like it. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye.